What's up guys, Big Easy here, and in this video I will be telling you who won the fidget spinner giveaways. Drift away. Okay guys, so the winners of the fidget spinners, I've waited a while, and I had a few comments on fidget spinner. The first fidget spinner winner is going to be Neon. Congratulations, Neon. You have won this one, the LED fidget spinner. Congratulations, Neon. Now, the winner for the fire. Okay. So that's just a look at the LED light fidget spinner. Now guys, the winner of this is Blue Dragon. Blue Dragon, you won this. Yeah. So congratulations, Blue Dragon. You have won this fidget spinner. Now, I'm sorry if you didn't win. There will be a lot more giveaways. You just didn't get lucky this time. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this giveaway. If you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed or leave the like, you now know that I do giveaways on a lot of stuff, and that if you want any of my fidget spinners or like video games or stuff like that, then you're going to need to subscribe and leave a like on this video. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this giveaway, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.